Okay, this is a 1972 Dodge Challenger. We've got paperwork on it for everything. Literally every time he changed fuel. There is surface rust, but none of this is rusted out or that. It's surface. I think I'm gonna coat it, so I wanna have video of it before because everything's solid, but I like when it's all black and even. I don't like the surface look. It might even be worth on this car to, it's a 340 Rally Sport 72, so it's an early 72. The engine runs fine. We're getting the original carb for it, but right now I Edelbrock's on it. Disc brakes obviously up front. So just to let everyone see before I undercoat it, I'm gonna keep this video and let you guys know because I think undercoating will be good. This thing needs to be ice blast to get all the surface rust and spray under here too. A couple spots, so we'll probably go to it. Depends where you're at. I mean, right now this thing's great to drive and do that, but if you want a show car, and again, this is a pretty darn rare car, 4-speed 72 Rally Dodge Challenger with the 340 on it. So any questions, remember, just call us at Charlestown Classic 630-443-4582.